If you're in the market for a three-row SUV, and who isn't these days, you should definitely put the Kia Telluride on your list. Yes, the Kia Telluride is a formidable competitor in the mid-sized three-row SUV segment with a refined driving experience, user-friendly controls, and vast cargo room. Perhaps the proof of this vehicle's talents are when your passengers keep saying, "Wait, this is a Kia?" That, in and of itself, is the Telluride's wow factor, especially considering all the standard equipment for the price. The first impressions, once you start driving it, is that the 3.8-liter V6 provides readily accessible power and works well with a responsive, smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. The suspension provides a comfortable ride, soaking up most bumps efficiently, and the cabin is impressively quiet. Kia's big SUV isn't a sporty handler, with noticeable body roll and turns. Despite its rugged looks, the Telluride isn't designed for off-roading beyond the occasional sand dune or muddy trail. A button on the center console allows drivers to lock the center differential, thereby sending equal power to the front and rear wheels to optimize traction on slippery surfaces. Inside the cabin, the Telluride's high level of fit and finish also might convince passengers that you spent way more than you did. Highlights include a pleasing mix of soft-touch surfaces, nicely styled imitation wood, and satin finish trim. We also like that the perforated leather seats came with contrasting stitching. Moreover, those seats are wide, comfortable, and come with lots of adjustments that will suit most body types. The second row accommodations are also generous, and the seats can slide fore and aft and recline. The second row comes with a one-button solution to move those seats forward and out of the way, clearing a path to the low-perched third row, which is best suited for kids. A USB port located on each side of the two front seats makes charging phones easy for second-row passengers, and they have their own climate controls too. As for the rest of the controls, well, we had very few complaints. Everything is a snap to master. The large touchscreen may be a far reach for some, but the controls on the steering wheel perform almost all of the everyday functions you'll need. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility comes standard. A power liftgate is standard starting on the EX trim and includes hands-free operation. There's decent cargo space when the third row seat is folded flat. A set of buttons on the cargo area lets owners drop the second row seats, which is handy when the cargo is just a bit too long to sit behind the second row. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot warning, and rear cross traffic warning comes standard on all Telluride trims. There's also a rear seat reminder for children and pets. When it comes to buying, we'd get the EX version, since it's the best balance of comfort, luxury, and convenience. Overall, the Telluride is tough to beat, considering its overall competence and standard equipment for the price. For more on SUVs, check out consumerreports.org.